Alright, this is the last map. Once again, I went to 3 maps. As you can see, my theater, underground, dome, which they went underground, dome. It was a wrong map, and last map is bootleg. We win 3-1. They backed out towards the end, but I'm just gonna go ahead and depict how they all spawned in, and we won this map. So I'm going to pause it here and go through all the people. This is myself, Neil, Abusify, Extortion, Marijuana, Canonize, Mojo, EJDL, and Bobby Fischer. So we're all spawned in on the last map. Let me go ahead and fast forward.
Switching sides. Search and destroy.
And they hosted, so.
Defend the objective.
Alright, I'm gonna play this real time. Extortion kills Abusify. EJ kills Canonize. Abusify left the game. EJDL kills Marijuana, so we win. Canonize leaves the game. Host ended game. They all backed out. So we won the map, and thank you for watching.
It's a draw. Stand down.
Marijuana was the only one that stayed in.